here we are. Now I have some pink hybrid roses that I'm growing from cuttings back there, and as you can see, the leaves are already up and going. More hollyhock, a white rose bush. This was a mixture of hollyhocks and some sunny area wildflower mix that I put down. I usually have better luck with those when I plant them October time frame, so they come up March, April time. So this is where all the zinnias are, and from last year lots and lots of the Dutch irises are coming up too, if you can see those little pokey thingies. Super excited about having those back. This bed also has some daffodils, and those should be coming up here. Just found a few. Not sure if the camera would zoom in to show. See one right there. Now I have raked this and planted some bird and butterfly mix in this entire bed, so when the zinnias are taken out by frost, I will already have something else coming up. There's also this bed that I have some cosmos, a lily over there that I don't think is going to be flowering this year, some crocosmias, and this entire area has also been raked, and I had put in a pollinator wildflower mix here that I got from the dollar store. Those work very well. I've been growing the sunny area mix for the last few years. This year is the first time I got the bird and butterfly mix and the pollinator mix, so I'll update you how it goes. I also have some columbines. These produce, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, and then fourth one over there. That one in the corner produces purple and white ones, and then these 3 produce light blue and white ones. Beautiful flowers. Here's some more dahlias. Back there is a gardenia. Here we go. Gardenia. A rose bush, and a hosta, and some more muscari that I planted last year that's coming up this year, and some hollyhocks back there. Let's see, what else did I miss here? Some blazing stars that are done for the season. Come back next year. I have some marigolds right here, and some cosmos right here. Too small of cosmos. Backyard cosmos are so much taller. I'm not sure why. Maybe not enough sunlight here, so won't be planting those next year. So yeah, here's my garden with all sorts of fall things planted. Here is the ranunculus that I planted today in this area. Soak those octopus corn looking thingies. Got the dahlia, this optical illusion dahlia. Let's see if the camera would focus, and I'll show you once it opens up. Of course, I'll take a picture of it in the bouquet. Come on, focus. Here we go. Doesn't want to focus. Maybe now? Okay. It's supposed to be purple and white. Got a Tropicana rose, some hollyhocks, some white rose. So excited about this anemone that came up from, I planted last year, October. It flowered, did its thing, went down, and it's up again this year. Very happy about that one. Got some winter flowering hellebores back there that I acquired the divisions of. And Here is a foxglove. I have two, but it seems like I've killed one, and it's supposed to be another one right there. And then those two seem to be doing good. And there's supposed to be one more. Seems to not be so happy here. Phlox. This is the blue tall or slash purple phlox, and if you see, there's new growth right there. Alright, and then here we have some white and pink fragrant rosebush, and here is the purple fragrant rosebush. I wish that the stems were taller, but unfortunately they're not. But they're still super fragrant. And here we are at the canna. And then the 3 roses. These are pink hybrid roses that I acquired cuttings of, and they, as you can see, already are growing leaves. Alrighty. So this was a fall update, guys. I will make another video of more updates as we go along. So yeah.